For decades, Cohiba has been synonymous with luxury and quality in the world of cigars. But where did this iconic brand come from, and what makes it so special? Welcome back to LuxQuest, where luxury meets inspiration. The story of Cohiba begins in 1966, when Fidel Castro and other high-ranking officials in the Cuban government were given a special blend of cigars that had been created just for them by master roller Eduardo Rivera. This blend was known as Cohiba, and it quickly became a favourite of Castro's. The creation of Cohiba was a highly secretive process. Only a select few master rollers were allowed to work on the blend, and the tobacco used in the cigars was of the highest quality. The best leaves were reserved exclusively for Cohiba, and the entire production process was closely guarded. It wasn't until 1982 that Cohiba was made available to the public. And even then, it was only sold in limited quantities to a select few countries. But word quickly spread about the quality of Cohiba cigars, and soon they were in high demand around the world. Unfortunately, this popularity also led to a surge in counterfeit Cohiba cigars. Many unscrupulous individuals attempted to cash in on the brand's prestige by selling fake Cohibas to unsuspecting customers. Despite these challenges, Cohiba remained one of the most revered cigar brands in the world. And over the years, it has continued to innovate and push the boundaries of what a cigar can be. Today, Cohiba offers a wide range of luxury goods, from humidors to cutters to lighters. The brand has released a number of limited edition and special release cigars over the years, each one carefully crafted to provide a unique and unforgettable smoking experience. One of the most significant contributions that Cohiba has made to the world of cigars is the use of a third fermentation process for its tobacco. This process is known as tercios, and it involves wrapping the tobacco in palm bark before fermenting it. This technique helps to develop the flavours of the tobacco and results in a smoother, more complex smoking experience. One of the most famous and highly sought-after Cohiba cigars is the Bahique. This cigar was first released in 2006 to commemorate the brand's 40th anniversary, and it quickly became a sensation in the cigar world. The Bahique is made with a rare and highly coveted type of tobacco called medio tiempo, which is found only on certain tobacco plants and is known for its rich, full-bodied flavour. Cohiba's commitment to quality extends all the way back to the tobacco farms in Cuba, where the brand's tobacco is grown. The climate and soil in Cuba are ideal for growing tobacco, and many of the farms have been in operation for generations. Cohiba works closely with these farmers to ensure that the tobacco used in its cigars is of the highest quality. Whether you're a seasoned smoker or a newcomer to the world of cigars, a Cohiba cigar is sure to provide a truly one-of-a-kind experience. From its rich history to its commitment to quality and innovation, Cohiba is a brand that continues to captivate and inspire cigar enthusiasts around the world. So the next time you're looking for a truly exceptional cigar, consider reaching for a Cuban Cohiba. With a history that spans over 5 decades and a reputation for quality that is unmatched in the world of cigars, Cohiba is truly a brand like no other. For staying to the end, here is a bonus. The name Cohiba is derived from the Taino word for tobacco, which was the indigenous people of the Caribbean who originally cultivated tobacco. The word Cohiba means tobacco, or rolling tobacco leaves, in the Taino language. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of Cohiba. I hope you've learned something new and gained a deeper appreciation for this iconic brand. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.